Isles of Scilly are located southwest of the UK. We stayed on the island of St Mary's, visiting St Martin's and Tresco. We travelled there via the Scillion Ferry from Penzance, and we flew back while using Sky Bus, a flight from St Mary's, landing at Land's End, took about 15 minutes. Our dog Dino came along with us, who we discovered was not a massive fan of kayaking. We took in the lovely Caribbean-like ocean blue sea, sandy beaches, took many hiking trails with amazing views. Please like, subscribe. If you have any questions at all about this trip, please let me know. I will come back to you. What do you think of the ferry, Dino?
We're not looking at the baby out there.
Look at that lovely blue water. Could be on the couch.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Oh, they're just for the house.
Are they really?
Underneath, there's I've got a lot of dahlias underneath, but they're sort of tucked away.
Yeah. We've just entered Tresco's garden. It cost £15 each, free for dogs, and they're going to be kept on the leads. So we're going to check it out now. I like that, yeah. What do you think?
You're both looking very good, isn't it?
Thank you.
Yes. Is it shells collecting from around
shells.
the Seychelles?
No, around Tresco
Here.
Island.
Tresco Island?
Yeah. Oh, look at that. In Abbey Gardens, they've got a museum to the heads of some of the ships that were shipwrecked around the islands, and we're just going to have a look at that now.